Today, the Supreme Court's going to tackle a new question regarding same-sex marriage. Now, the justices will consider the Defense of Marriage Act. The federal law defines marriage as that between a man and a woman. Yesterday, inside the court, the justices seemed just as divided as the rest of the country. They quizzed the lawyers about California's Prop 8, and there was some tense back and forth.
The California Supreme Court decides what the law is. That's what we decide, right? We don't prescribe law for the future. We decide what the law is. I'm curious, when did it become unconstitutional to exclude homosexual couples from marriage?
May I answer this in the form of a rhetorical question? When did it become unconstitutional to prohibit interracial marriages? When did it become unconstitutional to assign children to separate schools?
Easy question, I think, for that one. At the time that the Equal Protection Clause was adopted. That's absolutely true. But don't give me a question to my question.
You know, there is no telling which way the justices might go, but their questions to the lawyers offered a fascinating window into the court's thinking.
If you tell a child that somebody has to be their friend, I suppose you can force the child to say, this is my friend, but it changes the definition of what it means to be a friend. And that's, it seems to me, what the supporters of Proposition 8 are saying here. All you're interested in is the label, and you insist on changing the definition of the label.
If they're a class that makes any other discrimination improper, irrational, then why aren't we treating them as a class for this one benefit?
And there is an immediate legal injury or legal, what could be a legal injury, and that's the voice of these children. There are some 40,000 children in California, according to the Red Brief, that live with same-sex parents.
So the debate also raged outside the courtroom yesterday. It was a huge turnout. 2 years ago, the Obama administration decided the Defense of Marriage law was unconstitutional. So today, that's being defended by lawyers for House Republicans.